आज हम लोग देखेंगे जॉर्ज पीले। जॉर्ज पीले 1556 टू 1596। George Pile was an English translator, poet, and dramatist. He is most famous of his collaborative writing with Shakespeare on the play Titus Andronicus. Pile died on the Fox. Pile died on the Fox. Play of George Pile पहला है द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पेरिस 1584. It was presented by the children of the Chapel Royal before Queen Elizabeth in 1581 and printed anonymously in 1584. In the play, Paris is arraigned before Jupiter for having assigned the apple to Venus. Dania, with whom the final decision rests, gives the apple to none of the competitor but to a nymph called Elijah. ये रेफर्स टू क्वीन एलिजाबेथ. सेकंड वर्क है इसका एडवर्ड वन, जो कि आया था 1593. फेमस क्रॉनिकल ऑफ किंग एडवर्ड द फर्स्ट. दिस क्रॉनिकल हिस्ट्री written in 1593 is an advance on the old chronicle play and marks a step towards the Shakespeare historical drama. 3 है द बैटल ऑफ एल्केजर, जो कि आया था 1589 में और इसका पब्लिश्ड ये डेट है 1594. द प्रीमियरली हिस्टोरिकल सोर्स, इसमें जो है प्रीमियरली हिस्टोरिकल सोर्स फॉर द प्ले जॉन पेलोमोन. The second part of the book of battle, fought in your age 1587. Messenger believes that you list 1631 was originally about Sebastian. John Dryden wrote Don Sebastian 1689 on the same subject. फोर्थ है इसका द ओल्ड वाइफ्स टेले 1595 प्ले. The Old Wives' Tale is a novel also by Arnold Bennett published in 1908. It was his masterpiece satire on the popular drama of the play. He has used the theatrical device of play within play. He was the Old Wives' Tale. It was a masterpiece satire, popular drama, and he has used the theatrical device of play within play. Play within play, जो कि हेमलेट में भी यूज हुआ है, play within play. It is criticized as confusing fable of theatrical nonsense. Others have called it is a fantastical comic romance. The play has been identified as the first English work to satirize the romantic drama popular at the time. The plot centers around three young men who become lost in the woods but are given shelter for the night by Kunch a blacksmith and his wife meets the eponymous old wife during their stay. On retires to bed with Clunch while the other two are entertained by their hostess who tells them a fairy tale which to her surprise comes to life, her character appearing and telling it for her. The play within play. One strand of the plot involves two brothers who are on adventure searching for their sister, Delia. Delia, who is being held captive by the magician Scarpnet, compare Milton Scoms. The magician also captures the brothers. Eventually, they are all resolved by a knight aided by a ghost who is motivated by gratitude for past. एक्ट काइंडनेस बाय द नाइट। फिफ्थ है द लव ऑफ किंग डेविड एंड फेयर बेथसेब 1588 पब्लिश्ड 1599। इट इज ए बिब्लिकल ट्रेजेडी। सिक्स है सर कैलमोन एंड सर कैलमिड्स 1599। इट इज ए ट्रेजिक कॉमेडी। दिस वर्क बेस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेट्स द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ पी ग्रीनियम ड्रामेटिक रोमांस। It opens in Denmark rhymed heptameter verse. In fullness several play of Shakespeare as you like it, ये मिडसमर नाइट ड्रीम, सिम्बलिन, हेनरी 4 पार्ट 2। ठीक है, ये हम लोग का देख लिए जॉर्ज पीले के बारे में, उसका बायोपिक प्ले ऑफ जॉर्ज पीले, अरेंजमेंट पेरिस, एडवर्ड वन, द बैटल ऑफ एल्केजर, सब इसी में देख लिए हम लोग। द वर्ल्ड वाइफ्स टेले, द लव्स किंग डेविड्स एंड फेयर बेथसेब्स, सर केलमोन एंड सर कैलमेट्स देख लिए हम लोग। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।